Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change resolution on Netflix. So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version via App Store or Google Play. Go to your browser, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open the Netflix app, and then basically what I'm going to do, in the lower right, tap My Netflix. In the upper right, tap the menu, tap App Settings, and then tap Download Video Quality or video quality, and then select either standard or high resolution to change the video quality of your video. But if you're talking about watching a show and you want to change the resolution from within the player or from the player of them, so from like when you watch a show and the show plays and you want to change the resolution like in YouTube, it's a little bit hard because Netflix depends on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, uh, you know, uh, cellular data connection. So if it was weak, then automatically Netflix resolution will be weak, and the same goes if your data or Wi-Fi was in the high speed or high resolution, that or high performance, then Netflix will be at its best. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.